love me. Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, cause I don't fucking care.
What's up guys, it's Alex here, back with another video. And this is gonna be something a little different. I finally got my first car part, per se, in the mail today. I'm not gonna install it yet. It's gonna be a couple days from now because I have to get an oil change in my car, and I'm not about to get my warranty voided for doing this. It's just a Injen cold air intake, but I'm gonna do the unboxing for you guys real quick, so you guys can see it, if you don't already know what it kind of looks like. Alright, so as you can see, it's right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So, as you can see, just a standard box, per se. Here is the best part of it all. She is. All my accessories. We got the air filter. That is it's about it. There's not a whole lot in the box because it's a pretty basic setup, but it's gonna make the turbo noise a lot better. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked. I'm gonna get this installed in a couple of days. I'm gonna do it myself. I'm not gonna have someone else do it, so I'm gonna make this video a part of that video. So yeah, we will get to that in a couple days. So stay tuned. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to install my short arm cold air intake to my car, my 2016 Hyundai Veloster Turbo, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Essentially, it's going to be like I don't even know how to do it technically, but I'm going to kind of show you guys how I do it in the process, and then yeah, we should be good. So let's get to it. Alright, so to kind of start it off, and I apologize for the background noise, but there is a couple things that we need to kind of remove. There is 2 tabs on this side over here. I'm not gonna ask, but since that's off, I'm gonna get a pair of pliers to unhook these real quick. Here, I'll start it up for you so you can hear what it's like now. There you have it. The old intake is off. Alright, so we're back here. So basically what I had to do, I just wanted to make sure that I'd taken everything off right. So what I've got ready is the intake itself, and I've already gotten the clamp that goes on the backhand side of the intake already put on. I'm going to screw it on and get it all put on now. So it's tight, and I'll put the intake on. Back is clamped on good. So that's good. All I need is a flathead screwdriver to pop this thing out. Not what you're supposed to do, but that's how I did it. So I'll always get a new one if I need to, but look at that beefy ass thing, bro. About it. I didn't explain myself while I was doing it, so that's probably bad, but what I did was I just tightened everything back up. There's a washer that you get with a it's like a movement thing. I don't know what to say it is, but it's just a thing that you screw into where you took out one of the bolts for the air filter, and you put that in there to stop rattling. So we're gonna go ahead. I'm gonna pop the engine cover back on, and I will start it up. Alright, there you have it. Not a whole lot else that you need to do. So other than that, we are done. So, hey guys, what's up? This is actually a couple of days after I had installed my, I keep calling it a cold air intake, but I don't believe that's what it is. It's just it's an Injen short ram intake for the, I think the box said 2012 to 2015 Hyundai Veloster, but it fit with my car, and it's a 2016 Hyundai Veloster Turbo. That's besides the point. Yeah, I just wanted to kind of close this video out because I hadn't done it whenever I actually filmed it. So I apologize for that, but I just wanted to say that I hope I gave good instructions. I know I didn't talk a whole lot while doing it because I've never filmed myself doing an install video on anything. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe. It'll help out the channel, and it'll also give me the ability and confidence to make more car videos and more install videos and stuff like that. I plan to do a lot with this car. I'm not going to go into full detail, but I do plan to do quite a bit. So I'll kind of leave it at that. Again, if you guys like the video, definitely like the video, of course, and also subscribe. It would be awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and head out. Peace out, and we'll see you in the next video.
Tell me pretty lies. Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.